what I want to do really quick is give a huge shout out to Ringke here. They sent me a review kit because I'm not going to leave home without protection. Okay. Review kit. Live a better day. I agree. We always have to try our best to live a better day. Huge shout out, man. Really appreciate them. Every year they bless me with their products for lots of different smartphones. You got the Fusion Google Pixel 8 Pro Clear. You got the Onyx Google Pixel 8 Pro Black. And we have the Fusion Google Pixel 8 Pro Matte Clear. All eco packaging. Very nice, simple packaging. Live a better day. Ultimate experience. Over 60 million people are already using Ringke products. And Ringke Tempered Glass Premium Screen Protector for the Google Pixel 8 Pro. So what I'm going to do is I'll go with the completely clear for today. So stay tuned for a couple more case reviews for the other Ringke cases. You have this protective film removal guide because during the shipping process, Ringke wants to make sure that nothing happens to your clear case. So simply remove the inner film and the outer film. And let me get my Soapy Guard microcloth here. I'm telling you, that texture on the back of the 8 Pro just feels phenomenal. And that's a beautiful color, bay blue. You got this little plastic piece that is going to plug into the bottom down here where your USB Type-C charging port area is. I'm going to power off my Google Pixel 8 Pro. And, oh, okay. So I have used this type of little contraption before, which is really nice. It makes it really simple to install your tempered glass screen protector. I'm going to go down a little bit here, pull that in right there. Squeegee microcloth, dust absorber, 2 screen protectors, 2 clean wipes and lens wipes. So we'll put that all over there. Okay. Want to do is get out the tempered glass screen protector. Nice. So it's going to go this way. Hopefully you can see that. Trying to do this really quick. My wife is coming home and we're going to go out somewhere, so I'm trying to get this done before she gets here. And then you want to bring that top piece and connect it just like that. darn good. I don't see anything trapped underneath, which is fine and dandy. We'll turn my Google Pixel 8 Pro back on so I can get it set up, and I'll be right back. All right, everything is set up, and I got to tell you, man, I did an awesome job getting on this Ringke tempered glass screen protector, and just the fact that you have a flat display makes it so much easier. It's just better all the way around. Yeah, that is very, very nice. All right, so let's go ahead and put the Ringke Clear Fusion Clear back on and test out the fingerprint reader. Yeah, that is nice and fast. No issues there. Now, I also set up face unlock, so we're going to see how quick that works from behind the camera here. Let me make sure I can do this right. Bam, that was quick. Did you see that? Let's do this again. Boom. Wow. Super, super fast. As far as the case, plenty of lip at the bottom and up top, and the lip just rising above the glass protector. So if the glass protector wasn't on this beautiful display, then you would have a little bit more lip rising above the display. But because we have the glass protector from Ringke, it's just rising above that area. Flat surface, you're good to go. If the surface is a little bit rough, you're still good to go because that glass protector is going to protect the display. Anything rougher than that, use your discretion. As far as the camera bump, we have a huge cutout surrounding all of those cameras, and we got some depth going on there. Let's get a close-up on that so you can see the depth and the protection you're going to get. You can purchase a camera glass protector as well, but on a flat surface is a little bit rough, you're going to be good to go. Anything rougher than that, yeah, I would put some protection over that exposed camera area. But again, use your discretion, and we got some protection here over the flash and the temperature reader there. Now, as far as the camera button, it'll be covered up, and you have this ridged textured area so you can differentiate between the power button and the volume rocker, down, up. And on the other side, we got nothing going on there except for a couple little cutouts there if you want to sport a lanyard, and on the right hand side as well. So both right, left hand, bottom areas there if you want to utilize those little cutouts for a lanyard. Cutouts for the speaker, USB Type-C charging port, and mic area. All of that area nicely exposed with those cutouts, which will be perfect. Little cutout for the mic area up top. 5G antenna is covered up. Yeah, that is nice. Thank you so much, Ringke, for giving me the opportunity, being able to showcase the Fusion X Clear during the unboxing. Yeah, that is nice. That is nice. All of the links for everything that I'm showcasing in this video will be down below in the description area. The Google Store link, the Ringke website link, Amazon link for the Ringke products as well. Yeah, that is beautiful. That is really, really nice. I'm digging it. And again, I have to say it, man, I'm digging the flat display. Yes. Quick face unlock. I'm loving that.